Good afternoon, ma'am. My name is S. Saranya, BSc Computer Science first year. I am going to explain fixed point and floating point representation. This first topic, fixed point numbers. First point, fast and inspective implementation. Second point, limited in the range of numbers. Third point, susceptible to problem of overflow. Fourth point, in the fixed processes, number are represented in integer format. Fixed point representation, there are four types: word size in bits, binary point, signed, unsigned. The dynamic range of n bit numbers based to complements, for example minus 32,768 and 32,767 for a 16-bit systems. Next point, by normalizing the dynamic range between minus 1 and plus 1, the range will be have two sections, two sides of the each section starting at minus 1 up to minus 1 minus 2. For a 4-bit systems, there should be 16 sections, each of the side 1 by 8 from minus 1 to 7 by 8. Next point, unsigned integers. The stored number can take on any integers value from 0 to 65,535. Next point, signed integers uses two complements allowed a negative numbers. It range from minus 32,768 to 32,767. Next point, with unsigned fraction notation, 65,536 levels spread uniformly between 0 and 1. The unsigned fraction format allowed negative numbers equally spaced between minus 1 to 1. The next point, the 4th bit unsigned number represent a model of 16 systems. Next point, if first is added to the large number 15, the operations scrap around to give 0 as the answer. Next point, a number will graphical demonstrate the addition processes of a finity by bit systems. Next point, add addition procedures. First step, find the first number x on the wheel. Second step, step of y, unit in the clockwise direction will bringing you the answer. Next topic, carry and overflow. First point, carry apply to unsigned number when addition or subtracting result is incorrect. Next point, overflow. Overflow apply to unsigned number when addition or subtracting result is incorrect. Next topic, floating point representation. First point, the advantage over fixed point representation is that it can support a much wider range of a value. Next point, the floating point format needly slightly more stored. Third point, the speed of a floating point operation is measured in FLOPS. Next topic, floating point representation. First point, the advantage over fixed point representation is that it can support a much wider range of a value. Next point, the floating point format needly slightly more stored. Third point, the speed of a floating point operation is measured in FLOPS. Floating point number can be represented as two types: single precision, double precision. First topic, single precision. First point, called float in the C language family. Second point, it is a binary format that occupies 32 bits. Third point, it is signified and has be a precision of 24 bits. Second topic, double precision. First point, called double in the C language family. Second point, it is a binary format that occupied 64 bit. Third point, it signifies and has be a precision of 53 bits. First type, single precision. Simplify SP. Bit 31 represent single bit. Bit 23 to 30 represent exponent bit. Bit 0 to 22 represent fractional bit. Number as small as 10 and as large as 10 can be represented. Second type, double precision. Simplify DP. First point, sin 64 bit more exponential and fractional bit are available. Second point, a pair of registers are used. Bit 0 to 31 of first register represent fractional bit. Bit 0 to 19 second register also represent fractional bit. Bit 20 to 30 represent exponential bit. Bit 31 is the sign bit. Numbers as small as 10 and as large as 10 can be represented. Thank you, ma'am.